everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's Susie, and I have the July Your Creative Studio box. I'm running a little behind. I've actually had this for a couple of days, but I had done a little thrifting trip and was gone out of town, so I didn't get to the box. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do an unboxing today, and then next Tuesday I will try and have my make. So that's kind of the way that I'm going to do it this time. So here is Amanda's box, thank you card. And anyway, let's see what is in this July box. So I'm going to just kind of pull it out of there. We'll get rid of the box here. All right, so let's see what we've got in here. Okay, so let's just start with one of, this is the washi tape. Let's start with the washi tape here. So this is very pretty. This is like just floral, but it is super, super cute. And these colors are right up my alley, so I love these colors. Okay, and we've got stickers of some sort here. Let's see what we've got. Oh, and we've got some papers. Well, let's check out the papers. Oh, I love these. These are really cute little, and they're not sticky back. They're just papers. So those are cute. There's just 4 or 5 different designs. So those are cute. And then these are just some little stickers here. Let's see. It looks like ice cream, hearts, a little yay. These are cute. The nostalgic ladies there. A summer break. There's some little sunglasses. Those are super cute. And just all about summertime here. It looks like a car, a pink Cadillac or something there, or a pink car. It may not be a Cadillac. And there is some little sundae. So those are sweet. So there is that. Let's see what is in here. Some more of the little labels. I have no idea what my make will be this time around. I've been so busy that I haven't really had time. When Amanda said she was going to send another box, I hadn't really had time to think about what my little make would probably be. Those are cute. And then some of just the little round labels there. Those are sweet. You can always use those little labels. Okay, these look like some more just little papers here. Yes, this is just like a little paper pad. It has some vellum, and then just some of the regular paper there. So there is that. This looks like a stamp. So looks like coffee cups, teacups, or something like that. Yes, very, very cute. And this is a little animal in that one. I don't know. I'm going to try to get the glare off of it there. But just sweet. Look at the cups, little teacups there. Those are cute. And we have some little teacups in the stickers. This will be another cling stamp here. Yep, another little teacup with some greenery, it looks like. And then here is, whoops, little teapots. That's cute. Teacup and teapots. And of course I will stamp these for you so you can see them better. Oh, these are some cute papers. Here's some more papers. Oh, these are envelopes and papers. No, they're just all envelopes. Oh, how cute are those? Okay, so there is this one. This is the back. And it has all like the old wallpaper. So there is that. And then we have the teacup here with the back. And here is this one. And these are nice, sturdy, really sturdy envelopes. They're not flimsy. And then there is this one. I love the back of that. Look how cute that is. So there is that. And then there is this. Cute, cute, cute. Like those a lot. Okay, so there's that. Then we have some washi stickers. So let's get these pulled out. This is a packed box, so here is that. Just all different kind of washi florals here. There's that. Okay, I'm not going to try to do all of them, but just some to give you an idea. Look at the roses there, how pretty. There's that. There's like a little swag there. Let's just dig down in here and see if we can find some. Here's this. How cute are these florals? I like the roses, that look dried. Those are cool. Alright, so there is the washi stickers. And these are nice size too. Very large. Okay. So, very, very nice. Those will be a lot of fun. Okay, let's see what we've got here. This one comes in some nice packaging there. These are just some strips. Okay, so these are sticky back strips. I mean, they're stickers. They'll peel off and stick. So we have butterflies, and you could just cut these apart and use them. These, I think, probably, no, you have to cut them apart. Here are some like this that are super cute. And they're a little thinner. They're just like a ticket. I like the black and white. That's cool. Yeah, I like that. There's a couple of those. And here's some more black and white. Love that. I like that. Okay, those are really nice, and they're nice thick. Nice and thick. Yeah. Alright, let's see what's in this. Looks like just some papers. Or vellum. Yeah, this is vellum. Yeah, a package of vellum. There's that. All about the florals. This is a cute one. Not sticky back, just vellum, so. Super cute. Love the pinks here with this one. And the birds. Love that. And that's a really nice one. Okay, so there is a vellum, and there's quite a few in there. So there's that. It comes nicely packaged. Here is just it looks like a different kind of stickers. Look, that's a postage stamp. You really can't tell it when it's on the paper like that, but when you flip it over, you can kind of see the shapes. Let's see. There's like a dot. What else have we got? I know I've seen like a label there somewhere. Here's a butterfly. So it's very misleading when you look at the sheet, because you really can't see till you turn it over that it'll come apart. So that's kind of cool. That's very cool. Trying to see what else there might be on that. Oh, I can't make them all out, but there's another butterfly. I see it. I mean a butterfly. Yeah, another butterfly there. So there's another butterfly. Those are pretty nifty there. Well, I'm gonna have to. There we go. Those are pretty nifty. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so there is that. Yeah, I would have not known that without seeing that on the back. Okay, so here are some papers that look like they're going to be in like a garden tea party. Very pretty colors, the pink and the grays, and I think some of these are sticky back. So, oh, that's sweet. And then it gets, you got a thick paper and a thinner paper, and then I think it'll move to vellum. That's usually the way it works in these packs here. You get a nice thin paper. You get a nice thick paper. Then you get some textured. This is the textured paper. Yeah. And then you end up with some vellum. I really like that colored one. That's cool. And then you get the vellum sheets. So anyway, another great box from Amanda. So anyway, this is the box. I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing. And like I said, I will do my make next week. Will be the make. And that will give me time to get everything together for it. And don't forget, I will have the link to Amanda's shop, Your Creative Studio, in the description box below. Be sure and go over and check her out. With that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in next week's video. Bye-bye.